Hey y'all, I've got a Walmart haul for you today, and I did get a couple things at Aldi. Okay, let me move some of this stuff. I got 2 packages of this green tea. My husband drinks it like every single day, and he only likes that brand. So went to Aldi and got 2 packs of the green tea, and I also got 3 packs of their corn, not because it was on the list, but because I love it. It's very good. So we eat whenever they have it on sale. At my Aldi, it was like $1.50 a package. So got some of that. I got some dish soap. We do some hand washing and some dishwasher washing of dishes. So got that. This has got some chicken breast in it. I didn't want to take it out of the bag because it's kind of gross. So we got some chicken breast. I got some peaches. And I got a couple of red tomatoes. I also went to Winn-Dixie too. I got some plums. And I should have separated this, but I didn't, so here we go. I got some green tomatoes from Winn-Dixie. I need those for a recipe. Back to Walmart, I got some low-dose aspirin we needed, some probiotics, some Advil. Needed that. And I got some powders with some water. I got some caramel bits because I gotta have that for a recipe. I also got some Nutty Buddy bars, head of lettuce, can of biscuits. I also got another 4-pack of biscuits. I've got to have these for different recipes. I also got these pizzas. They're really good. And a bottle of cooking oil. I also got a pack of this yellow rice because I've got to have it for a recipe as well. And some tater tots, a pound of cheddar. Got to have both of those for a recipe. Some sour cream for a recipe. These little breakfast biscuit cookie things, my husband eats those for breakfast every morning. Can of chili just cuz. Some filled peas with snaps. That's for a recipe. I got some cheddar soup, some mushroom soup, and some chicken soup. All those are for recipes. And 2 cans of the sausage gravy because those are also for recipes. We got a box of cereal, some yogurt covered raisins. Those are also for my husband. And for my son, I had to get some bottled coffee, 5-pound bag of potatoes, some root beer, Diet Coke, 2 gallons of milk. These are my favorite. Got those just because. I got some smoked sausage for a recipe. I got some more sausage for, what did I get this for? Oh yeah, French toast casserole recipe. Some hot dogs. My 14-year-old wants to start making his own cookies, so I said we'll start with this. So he's gonna have some cookies. He's gonna have bacon up soon. Did I say 2 gallons of milk? 2 gallons of milk, some kettle chips, corn chips, tortilla chips, and hot dog buns and eggs. So all of this was around $2.50, I would say. And it's only climbing, y'all. It's only climbing. The only reason I had went to Winn-Dixie was because the Walmart didn't have the things I needed. I needed the filled peas with snaps. They didn't have it. And I needed the green tomatoes, and they didn't have that either. So, that's it, y'all, for this week. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to make some poppy seed chicken. I've made this for years and years. And everybody does theirs a little bit different. This one's real basic, so you should have no problems with it. Preheat your oven to either 375 to 400, either one. Because there is no written recipe for this. You could probably find one online. But I got this recipe from family friend a long, long time ago. And I have made it for years and years and years. My sister made it for years and years and years. So there's no written recipe for us. So preheat your oven to, I do 400. You're going to boil 2 good sized chicken breasts and chop those up or shred them. You can use leftover chicken, you know, whatever. Breast is the best to use because you don't have any bones or skin. So that's what I do. I've already got that in a baking dish. You need to take a 9x13 baking dish, spray it, put your chicken in the bottom of that dish. And then the next thing you're going to do is, this is a little bit different than I normally do. I usually do all cream of mushroom soup. But this time I'm going to do 1 cream of mushroom and 1 cream of chicken. So we're going to mix that together. I've been doing that lately. It kind of gives it just a little bit different flavor. Okay. And then as far as the sour cream goes that I need to add, I just kind of eyeball it. You're probably going to need about a 16-ounce container of it would work. Shouldn't use the spatula. Anyway, I just want to make sure I have enough. About 16 to 18 ounces of sour cream. Just depends on your taste. You want a little more, a little less. Mix all this together as quickly as I can. Go ahead and get my oven preheated. Been cooking a lot today, so that oven's already kind of hot. Okay. Now, I don't use poppy seeds, even though it's called poppy seed chicken. Never have I ever put poppy seeds in it. If you do, you can put them in at any stage of the recipe, whether it's you want to mix them in with this portion or sprinkle them on the top with the crackers, either way. But I would only do about 2 teaspoons worth because you don't want too much. Okay. Trying to hurry. I don't know how much room I have on my phone for this. Okay. All right. And then just spread this out. I know it seems excessive, but it just, trust me. With the chicken being kind of dry, it works. Okay. Now. Get rid of this. All right. So I'm gonna melt some butter real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Half a stick of butter, and then you're going to take two stacks of Ritz crackers and crush those in the butter. Or you could just do pats of butter on top of the crushed crackers after you put the cracker crumbs in the, not in the, but on top of the casserole. We'll see if half a stick is enough. I may have to put in another 1/4 of a stick of butter. Okay. Wash my hands real quick. All right. Hopefully this is enough. Alright, so we're going to put this in the oven. And it takes anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. It'll be hot and bubbly when it's time for it to come out. What I'm going to do to begin with is I'm going to cover it with foil. And then the last 10 minutes or so, I'm going to take it out and let it toast on top. So, spread all this out. Okay. There we go. It's usually 30 to 45 minutes. It just depends on, you know, your oven, and sometimes I do a little bit more liquid than I should, you know, whatever. There's certain different, you know, it's just going to vary a little bit. So just keep it covered. Last 10 minutes or so, you need to take it off, take the foil off, and get the top toasted, lightly brown or golden brown. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I went ahead and paired it with some boiled potatoes. Just peeled and boiled them, salt and pepper them, that's it. Put a little butter on them. And some green beans. Also buttered, salt and peppered. And then I have my poppy seed chicken here. It did great. And just remember, last 10 minutes, you want to toast the crackers. Okay, y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.